Let's talk company attainments, the spot for logging those big ticket compliance items like labour hire licence, public liability and work cover insurance. Why? Because keeping these up to date keeps your business legally sound and ready for any audit. Let's get the company attainments uploaded. Hit the download template button to start. With the Excel spreadsheet open, delete our dummy data and start to populate this with your own information. The red titled tabs are mandatory and may be pre-populated from some earlier onboarding. Once you're happy with your data, head on back to the onboarding screen so you can finish off your company attainment section. Back on the onboarding screen, we are going to hit next. Drag and drop your file and hit next. The system will run its validation checks. Any issues will be listed below with the corresponding Excel line for fixing. If there were issues, just simply upload the file again once you fix them up. Otherwise, hit next. Do a quick review and hit next. Hit that Start Import button. Awesome work! You have just imported your company attainments list. The company attainments that you just imported can be found by going to the Companies tab, opening up a company and going to their attainments section.